socials here and a look around, and most people seem to be quite happy that I'm here. So thank you very much for your support. Not to be outdone by James and his outfits, I have basically ripped into the cupboard here and pulled out something which almost fits me. It's Batman. I think it's okay. I mean, it's got the muscles, it's got everything. I'm just not totally sure about this black stuff around the eye. It's not doing me any favours at all. And it's interfering my ability to read your social posts. So I might have to whip that off in a minute during the next tune. Okay.